Hello my bees, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Let me know in the comment section. In this video, I will demo RaiseSeed. So, RaiseSeed is basically a database management system project which is a web-based crowdfunding platform. The features of this project are user registration, user dashboard, progress tracking, donation support, campaign selection. So, are you ready for the demo? Let's dive into it. Firstly, start the Apache and MySQL from your XAMPP control panel. Then open your localhost. Here is all the files of this project. Firstly, we will go for x.php, and in this section you can see sign up and sign in button. If you have an account, you can sign in, otherwise you have to sign up first. After the sign up process, you have to sign in again. So here is our first interface, which is from x2.php, and here is your dashboard. By using campaigns button, you can see all the campaigns which are open for now. And by using the support now button, you can support any campaigns from this list. From the campaigns, you can also support any campaign by using the support the campaign button, which will redirect you to support.php. And now I'm going to support build community centers for after school programs at Miami. The target amount is $12,000 and raised so far is $4,000. So I'm going to fill the support now form. I will clip the GitHub repository link in the description. You can check it out there. So let me show you the database first so that you can track the update later. So look, 6, the campaign ID is 6, Miami, and in this case the raised amount is 4,000. When I'm going to back now, check the database, refresh it, and see the amount is updated and it's now 5,000. Now go back to the home page. In your dashboard, you can see the campaign where you just funded. After this, here is some of our popular campaigns, and going to the Nourish Our Neighbors campaign, you can see some details here. So yeah, this is it. After everything, you can just sign out. Now you sign out your account. You can't support or you can't fund any campaign in this state. To support any campaign, you have to log in first. No! See, all fields are required to user is not logged in. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.
And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.